Here's how you can translate your videos into different languages.
다른 언어로 번역하는 방법입니다.
So what you want to do is you want to head on over to AI Avatar over here, then go to Video Translator and find the file you want to translate. Language, select the text source language, that's fine. And then select whatever language you want to translate it to. Let's just go Korean for this tutorial. Now it uses some credits, and if you have Pro, you have a certain amount of credits each month. Select lip sync over here and go translate. Apply. Let it do its thing. And now it's done. Let's have a watch.
여기서 맥과 PC에서 캡컷 프로로 비디오를 다른 언어로 번역하는 방법입니다.
And if anyone knows Korean, let me know how good that is. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn how you can add captions in a different language, check out this tutorial here. If you want to try out CapCut Pro free for 7 days, I have an affiliate link in my description. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.